The Foldable Wagon Cart WG-100 is an impressively versatile collapsible cart that can be set up or folded down in seconds, making it perfect for a variety of uses, from beach trips to apartment living. With a robust design, this wagon cart is capable of handling up to 360 pounds, thanks to its sturdy alloy steel frame and durable fabric, ensuring it is ready for any heavy-duty task you might have. Despite its heavy-duty capabilities, the wagon is incredibly lightweight at just 11 pounds and folds down compactly, allowing for easy storage in tight spaces like closets or car trunks. This wagon features all-terrain wheels that swivel 360 degrees, providing smooth movement over sand, gravel, and grass, making it the ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Designed with outdoor versatility in mind, it includes practical features like built-in cup holders and a breathable fabric, making it perfect for family trips, garden work, or tailgating events. The Foldable Wagon Cart WG-100 combines convenience, strength, and flexibility, ensuring it meets the needs of anyone looking for a reliable and portable hauling solution.